Hi guys, it's Tonya Emm and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload videos. I do try to upload at least 2 a week. Also, I recently started my own beauty brand. Right now we're featuring 100% real mink lashes, 3D and 5D. Right now I'm wearing one of our 25mm lashes. This is in the style Cherry Red. Alright, and I will go ahead and put the link in the description box so you can go ahead and make your purchase. Today's unit, I will get the details in the video because I actually am showing you guys how I finesse my wigs. I know everybody is probably like, she's just coming on here showing my wigs, showing the wig off, like not even telling me how she got it like that. I do show some techniques. I didn't mention it in the video, but I do show a few techniques that I did learn from a few YouTubers that from over the years and recently. So I'm probably to cut this wig. Pause before I cut it. I'm cutting this wig. Look at it. It's already napping up. And I just had this on today. But I basically what I was saying is that I did use a few methods that I've learned from a few YouTubers. And I will be incorporating that into my finessing today. I'll leave a link. I know one of them is Pretty Princess P. I did use her method as far as the baby hairs and like using like the stuff to like mold the hair down and keep it down and like edge control and the wax stick, stuff like that. There's another YouTuber, I honestly can't remember her name, but I love her to death. She taught me how to hide my peaks on synthetic wigs. And a long time ago, there's another YouTuber, I'll mention her. She taught me that she's the one who I learned how to thin out the wig. But just continue watching the video. Bye. Today's video, I'm going to go ahead and attempt to go ahead and install a synthetic wig on camera for you guys. So if you hear Cocomelon in the background, please excuse that. It's the way of distracting my son. So I understand right now I don't really have the ability to have the best high quality content for my channel, but if you can bear with that, then yeah. If you're a mom, you know. So today's unit is by the Stylist. This is a brand that I think is exclusively for the samsbeauty.com. It is called Bella, and I have her in the color OET 1B Forest Green, which is just, here, I'll show you guys. It's just 1B at the top, and then the green is at the bottom. So this wig is supposed to be a 13x6, pre-plucked hairline. It has baby hairs and a 6-inch deep parting space. The other thing about this unit is that it is a mixed master blend, human hair master blend, which is basically synthetic mixed with human. It's mostly going to be synthetic, so don't get excited. It's not going to be mostly human. It's probably going to be like 30% human and the rest synthetic, if that 30%. So this is what she looks like. This is the color. See how the 1B goes into the forest green. She is a curlier unit and very long. I'm 5'2", and she comes down to the small of my back. I did go ahead and customize the hairline to my liking. You do not need to pre-pluck, or you do not need to pluck. If you don't really like plucking or you're not good at it, this comes pre-plucked really well. I just went ahead and did a little bit more for my liking. I usually go ahead and as you can see, I have a dip where my hairline goes. And it comes down right here on the sides. I usually customize my wigs to that. However, the way this unit is set up, the way the hairline is set up, it doesn't work that way. So I'll put it on and show you guys what it looks like on before I do anything. So another thing, guys, this unit did come with 2 options. You could get invisible lace or the brown lace. I got the brown lace, obviously from brown skin, but if you're a lighter complexion, definitely do not get the brown lace. This just matches my complexion. Anybody lighter than this, it's gonna be too dark for you. And you can't tint lace to be lighter. You can only go darker. So this is what she looks like on. The hair texture is silky, guys. It's silky, and it is gonna tangle. I am getting tangling right out the pack. I knew that was going to happen. Usually that happens with this texture. So it does have like little bangs in the front also. As you can see, I went ahead and just did some extra plucking just to make it look a little bit better. But anyway, as you can see, the hairline, it kind of comes down in the front and then goes up right here, right where my peaks show. So I'm gonna have to go in and make sure I keep some lace right here. That way I can pull some baby hairs and disguise the ball cap. Especially like right here on the sides too. I'm probably gonna have to do baby hairs around the whole perimeter with this hairline. This wig is big head friendly. I have a lot of room and it comes down over my ears. So that might be a struggle for me, being that I do have a smaller head. So this is what she looks like before I go ahead and install her. This is what the parting space looks like. This is how it looks parted. The parting space is awesome. You're gonna have to stop basically right here. That's how far you can go before you start seeing tracks. I would definitely consider this a 4x4 unit. The only reason they're calling it 13x6 is that you have the lace around the perimeter of your face. Definitely is 6 inches, but 6x4. It's really tangly. I'm kind of like disappointed by this wig. If you saw my recent reviews, I did a review on their other unit called Cherie, and it was of better quality of hair than this. I don't know. I probably won't get much wear out of this. I'm thinking I might have to take some bulk out of the hair by thinning it out, and maybe it won't tangle as much. I don't want to waste my money. I always put it on 5. That way the hair won't melt. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and pull out the baby hairs that I'm probably gonna use to lay. I'm just gonna pull them out around the perimeter of my head. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off on the sides too. I do apologize I didn't show it, but it was hard for me to find it. But I just basically cut the lace off right here. So now that I pulled out my baby hairs, I'm just gonna cut it down some. That way it's not in the way and irritating me. It's like it's all on my face and stuff. I'm gonna take the hot comb and just press it down so that it's not gonna get mixed up with the other hair. Be careful not to burn yourself. I'm definitely doing this in the camera, so I'm trying to be really careful. I wasn't able to pluck a lot on the sides because the lace stops right here. It's cool. I'm gonna go ahead and try to lay the lace down. I'm using my Wig Dealer spray. And blow dry on a low setting, and I'll come back and I'll show you what the lace looks like with the lace cut off. Okay guys, I'm back and I went ahead and cut the lace off, and as you can, I'm getting all this flakes out of my hair from the spray, from the Wig Dealer spray, but as you can see where I left the lace, where my hairline dipped down low, So let's see here. I am going to tint the lace again with my makeup brush once I get my baby hairs laid. I usually take Got to Be Glue in the black container to lay my edges. Guys, me and baby hairs, like I gotta concentrate to like have them laid. So I'm just gonna put this band on. It's just a like an elastic band, and I use that to lay my edges and my wig. Okay, guys, I'm back, and they're probably dry by now, my baby hairs, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and thin this wig out because it is very tangly, and usually it tangles like that when there's, of course, the quality of hair and then the bulk of the hair. His hair is too bulky. These are thinning shears. They just have a comb on one end and a scissor on the other. And I'm gonna split the hair in half, and I'm kind of gonna like brush through it, and I'm gonna see where the hair is too bulky. Once I brush through it, you can kind of feel it. So it starts to get bulky around this area. So I'm gonna go ahead and thin it out. I'm gonna split it though, like in 3 parts. I'm just gonna clip it here, 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 and brush it out. And you'll see hair come out. See? So that's like the excess hair. I'm gonna do about 3. Well, generally you wanna do it until you feel like it's the brushes can run through it, or your fingers can run through it, and it's not too much, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is much better. And I'm gonna continue to do that for each section. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go. So guys, as you can see, okay, look at this side and look at this side. It's still tangly and it's thicker too, but this is more realistic and it's not tangling. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side off camera and come back with the wig finished. Okay guys, so I finished thinning out the wig. This is an extra step you can go through. Some people don't feel like going through that extra step, but you know what? Sometimes, you know, you don't have those coins for no human hair, so you gotta do this. Hell, them cheap ass human hair wigs be tangling up too. Trust me, I've had a few. So, this is all the hair that came out. So what I'm gonna do next is flatten out the top right here. I'm just gonna use my wax stick to get it good and flat and to stay that way. Remember my flat iron, or I keep calling this thing a flat iron. My hot comb on 5. I'm gonna take my foundation brush and just tap it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of a few things around the house, go to run some errands. I'm gonna come back and do my makeup and probably take some pictures. But yeah, this is how she looks. This is how long she is. On me, I'm 5'2". It's cheaper. It's a cheap wig, okay? I don't know. She's not my preference. Out of a 10, I would give her a 6.5. But yeah. If you want to buy this, I'll put the link in the description box. But if you have any questions, just go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe.